Minasan, konnichiwa. Junya Tomoshimasu Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Okay, so lesson 7 na tayo, Mina. Ayan. So, ang ating pag-aaralan ngayon is about kay kara. So, yung napag-aaral natin kara noon is, ang meaning niya is from. Ngayon naman, yung kara, ang meaning niya is because. Ayan. Used to give a reason. Hajimete ikimashou. Okay, S1, ito po yung reason. Then yung kara, yung because, then yung S2 is the result. Okay, example, because my son has a fever, I'll take him to the hospital. So hanapin nyo muna yung inyong reason. Ano ang dahilan? Bakit siya pupunta sa hospital? Kasi siya ay may sakit. So unahin mo yung my son has a fever. Musko ga netsu ga arimasu. Ayun yung my son has a fever. Then, susundan nyo yung pattern, no? Reason, kara, S2. Susunod dito sa S1 is the kara, yung because. Kara, then sunod yung resulta, I'll take him to the hospital. Byoin ni tsurete ikimasu. You can also state S2, ayan. You can also state the result first and add the reason after it. So, pwede pala, na si reason ay nasa hulihan. Hindi lang laging nasa unahan si reason. Okay, example, are you going to school? Gakko ni ikimasu ka? No, I'm not going to school because I'm not feeling well. Iye, negative answer. Gakko ni ikimasen. So, saka mo i-add yung reason. Kibun ga warui desu. Ito yung reason mo, inad mo na, then put kara sa dulo. Okay, so hindi lang siya lagi nasa unahan, pwede rin siya sa hulihan. Next natin, questioning using doste. Pwedeng naze or nande. Ang meaning niya is why. Why are you studying the Japanese language? Laging nasa unahan, or pwede rin doste desu ka kung sakali. Doste Nihongo benkyou shitemasu ka? So, because I will work in Japan. Okay, so yung because dito, kapag kayo tinatanong ng doste, yung because, kapag sumagot ka, laging nasa hulihan. Nihon de hatarakimasu, then put kara sa dulo. Kara. Particle de, tools, method, language. Kasi nagamit na natin yung particle de before as a vehicle, transportation, and place of action. So example, by tools or method, I will cut the paper by scissors, or way niya ng pagkat ng paper or method niya ng pagkat ng paper ay scissors. So hasami, dahil ito ay tools or method, lagyan mo ng particle de. Hasami de kami o kirimasu. Okay, next. By means method naman, I will write in English. So yung mean mo ng pagsulat ay English at yung method mo sa pagsulat ay English. So, lagyan mo yung method or by means mo ng particle de. Ego, particle de, kakimasu. Ego de kakimasu. Okay, minasan, owarimashita? So, ja, mata ne.